Hello world, welcome back to Razor RC. Just shooting a different type of video today. This one's a little more casual. Just over here at the BMX park and just gonna drive a little bit. More of a random thought, stream of consciousness, vlog style video. Trying something different here. Let me know what you think about this video, if it sucks, if you like it, want to see more. But anyways, over here at the BMX park, got my Pro SC10. Even got the original body I'm gonna run just for the heck of it. Got my Radiolink RC6GS and gonna bash a little bit with this truck. Also got the GoPro. It's like super old school GoPro camera from, I think it's a Hero 2. It's probably a relic now, but anyways, gonna try doing some GoPro videoing, see how that turns out, and yeah, anyways, just trying something different today. So all right, all set to go. Let's get this thing out of here. So over here we got kind of the smaller section. It's actually the first part I drove my very first RC car. I bought a Traxxas Stampede 4x4 VXL. Took it out here. Did a couple of these little jumps here. They're only like 2 feet tall or something. And after about the fourth crash, I think the shock caps popped off, spilled oil everywhere. Ended my day pretty early. So kind of got some bad memories of those little jumps right there. Like the very first time I drove my RC car. But yeah, here we go. Let's check out the rules. Gotta wear helmets, blah blah. No motorized vehicles, only bikes. Well, hopefully no one's watching. So that kind of brings up a good point, which is that, you know, driving in these public spaces, you know, you're the guest, right? These are BMX parks, skate parks, dirt lots, construction sites, whatever. They're not really meant for RC cars. So I like to come out here when there's nobody around, the kids are in school. I come out on my lunch break or something. I can just drive, kick up dirt, not mess with anybody. And that's kind of the way I think it should be, right? I mean, just like you wouldn't really want BMX bikes to come by and drive, or, you know, ride their bikes on your RC track. They really probably don't want RC cars here, so I just try to be respectful and cognizant of that, and, you know, give the bikes the right of way. Actually, a funny story, last time I was here, me and my buddy were driving the Granite 4x4 BLX, and we were hanging out, and some kids were riding their bikes, and they crashed, you know, two kids crashed into each other, fell down, skinned their knees and hands and stuff, and they're crying and all that. And we were just standing around. We weren't even driving our cars. We were just walking around, and then they go back to their moms. Of course, 5 minutes later, one of the moms comes by and starts yelling at us, chewing us out, and complaining about our cars and how they made their kids crash. Well, we didn't do anything to their kids, but it just kind of goes to show that, you know, you got to be aware of other people at your bash site. So anyways, here we are. This is kind of the middle section, a little bit bigger jumps, and then the bowl of death, as I like to call it over here. This is where I took my Granite. Hopefully you've seen that basher video, but it goes down about, I don't know, 8-10 feet or something like that. And then there's, yeah, I guess the big section down there where we drive as well. Here's gonna get my Pro SC10 put together and throw it out. I'm also testing out the Radiolink RC6GS, basically messing with the traction control. Actually works pretty well, so doing a little bit more driving with that. Definitely a bit difficult to drive here. Just can't tell where I am going. Alright, turning gyro on to full. Way more stable. Way easier to drive. She pretty much just goes where you want it to. It's pretty amazing. I mean, you can just do whatever you want. It doesn't turn particularly fast, but you can't really oversteer. on the other side. Tabletop here. Run out. Like kind of hard to control in the air with only two-wheel drive. Definitely gonna need some repairs on this guy. We're printing the Bash and Basher, man. Yeah, that body's just about done. Yeah, that body is definitely gone. to change batteries. Round 2. Fight. Saved it, man. There's no forward rotation on this thing at all. It's a two-wheel drive. Whoa! I just jumped the whole thing, dude. That's crazy. Did not know that was possible. No! Traction control definitely helps here. Nope. Man, that body is gonna fall off pretty soon. Alright, broken body, broken bumper, oh, it just popped straight off. That was already kind of broken there. Then it looks like this actually broke off as well, so. My drive shaft ribbon. There it goes. A little wheelie bar now, I guess. Well, I think that's about it. I think I have a spare bumper in the front, but. Okay, and I think that'll do it. So anyways, let me know what you think about this video, if you liked it, you want to see more like it, or you thought it was boring. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel as always, and look for more videos soon.